Cicero de Officiis, episode 30. Atque ea sic definiunt, ut rectum quod sit, id officium perfectum esse definiant. Medium autem officium id esse dicunt, quod cur factum sit, ratio probabilis redi possit. Now Cicero continues, and he's still talking about the Greeks, that is, the Graeci from the previous portion. They are the subject of definiunt. And they define, meaning the Greeks, these things as follows. That what is right, rectum quod sit, they define id esse, as the absolute duty, officium perfectum. But, autem, the middle duty, medium officium, they say that it is that thing which, id esse, it is that thing which a reasonable explanation, ratio probabilis, can be given, can be returned as to why it happened, cur factum sit. So the selection starts out rather simply with definiunt, which is a third plural, present indicative active verb. It's from the fourth conjugation verb definio, definire, like so. And the subject is the implicit Greeks, as I've said. And thus, they define those precepts as follows. Now the ut here through definiant, I'm taking as an object clause, a usive noun clause, as it is sometimes called by the grammarians, that is, a usive noun clause. They define it as such. That rectum quod sit rectum, that which is proper, they define, definiant, that's our subjunctive in the usive noun clause, that thing id, to be the officium perfectum. So this quod here is nominative as the subject of sit, and rectum is also nominative as the predicate of quod. Within definiant, we take id as the accusative object of definiant, or actually the accusative subject of esse, and officium perfectum as the accusative predicate of id, because this introduces indirect statement. Then as we go on, we have an indicative, dicunt, and autem is introducing the second clause. But, however, the medium officium, they say that the medium officium esse id. So medium and officium, these are both neuter singular and accusative, because they are going to be the subjects of esse in the indirect discourse, or the oratio obliqua, and it is also neuter singular accusative because it is the predicate of officium. Then the quod clause, from quod through possit, is going to define the id. So they define it as that thing which, or for which, we might say to make better English, a ratio probabilis, this is feminine, singular, and nominative, a reasonable or probable explanation, redi possit, can be given, can be returned. So redi is a present infinitive passive from the third conjugation verb redo, redere, like that. It is that for which a probable explanation, a likely explanation, can be given as for why it happened, cur factum sit. So factum is neuter, singular, and nominative as the subject of sit, and it is the predicate of quod. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that free lesson. Please like and subscribe, hit the bell. You can also become a patron at patreon.com/LatinPerDiem. And if you really loved it, you can leave a tip right here as a super fan. Thank you so much.